Hi everyone and welcome to this new video where we're going to create a demo account on Tradovate and connect it to Thor. So the first thing will be to go to trader.tradovate.com and to prepare an email address. So back in this page, let me switch that in English. You will click on try a free trial and then you will enter an email. So for the purpose of this video, I will be using a temp mail, so a temporary email address. For that, I can literally go anywhere in those links and just get my email up. I'm copying that, pasting that, signing up, and then an email has been sent to this address, which I will just receiving that. I click on confirm email address, and then I can just select my username. So you do whatever you want in that category. Here I will just be doing Thor test 17, let's say. Same thing for the password. You select whatever password you want, and then I just click on agree and create user, and I will save that. And then you have it. So back into this page, when the account is first created, you will go to not ready for live trading, try risk-free simulated trading, and then you should be connecting to Tradovate, and you click on done and you have the Tradovate interface. So from there you are basically connected. You can do trades, you can do whatever you want. The second step here will be to go to Thor and to go to add connection, then go to Tradovate, connect, and from there you will be using the Thor test 17 or whatever username you created, and just click on login and then save users at the bottom left, and you should just wait a bit and it should be connected. Okay, connected. And then you can go to accounts list, add account, and then you have your Tradovate account. So you see aiding by 188, and on here it's the correct account ID. We can even like go as far as doing a little test, save. So I'm configuring the Tradovate account as a leader, another account as a follower. Okay, save. And once you click save, you will be able to like do some trades on Tradovate. Here it's Sunday, so the market is not moving, as you can see, but that's not changing anything. The configuration will stay as is for as long as the accounts remain active, both the follower and the leader, and that's about it. And the last thing I want to show you is that if you log out for Tradovate, as it will happen automatically most of the time, you can just re-logging here on this page, and from there you will have to go to access simulation, and if you have this message warning your clock is out of sync, you will have to go to date, maybe, yeah, date. Here it's in French, so it's modify date time, and you will click on, sorry, it's all French obviously, but you would just click on sync now, this button here. So the fourth line, if you want, on your Windows settings, sync now, and wait a bit, wait for this thing to load. Okay, and from there you will just have to reload your Tradovate page, and as you can see, the bar disappeared and you are able now to click on access simulation. So as you can see, the trial expires in 40 days. So at the end of those 14 days, Tradovate will ask you to pay $12.50 per month to keep this simulation account. You can either do that, or you can just recreate another Tradovate account. I will not recommend. I will not recommend either of them. Obviously, you do as you want. But just so you know, the account expires after 14 days. So that's about it for this video. I hope it was useful and I wish you a great day.